So today I will be showing you my slime collection. And before we get to the video, y'all see this word, Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to you fans. I really hope you guys find a nice girl or boy for you. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Before we get into the video, if this is your first time seeing my video, go ahead and click that red box that says subscribe. And while you at it, click that notification button so you can get notified every time I post a new video. And give it a thumbs up if you like it. So let's get into the video. So, I'm going to have my camera facing the floor. And so, yeah. Here's my first slime. And this one is kind of stiff. And I made it yesterday with glitter glue. And this was my first glitter glue slime. So, it had got hard because I let it sit out. But, yeah. Okay, you guys, this is my, this one is named Grape, and on camera it looks kind of gray, but this one is really purple, so yeah. This is unicorn poop, because y'all know unicorns like on fleek, and the slime was on fleek, and
I'm on
you guys, okay, it's going to be facing the floor. This one is very glossy, so yeah, this was my third slime I made. And these slimes are clear. So, wait. Yeah. Okay. Here's my next slime. And this one is called Ice Crystal. Okay. That's how it looks. This one is the ooziest slime. And yeah, all our slimes are very clear. This one is kind of sticky. I'm going to add a little bit of this contact solution. Because it's kind of sticky. Just a little bit. Sorry guys. So yeah, now let's mix that contact solution in. And guys, you can find this contact solution at Dollar Tree. So yeah, you guys, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and in the comments down below, tell me what slime was your favorite. Bye guys.